Hey guys, train. Well, someone doesn't want to wait. Oh my gosh, in Union Pacific! I think. No way! Let's go. Oh my gosh, Union Pacific! Wow! Holy crap! I haven't seen Union Pacific in years. Oh my god! What? Let's go! Oh my god, it's a short train. What the heck? Wow, that was exciting.
Welcome to Frontier Town, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete and final stop, and you have been instructed by a ride host to exit, as the train does have a tendency to roll backwards before it stops. So please remain seated. Welcome to Frontier Town, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete and final stop, as it does have a tendency to roll backwards before it stops. Please remain seated.
Well, folks, we got a train work vehicle coming. We were hoping it was a train, but it's not. Let's watch this thing. Oh crap. Oh no.
Oh no.
What?
There it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to cross the tracks.
There it is.
Yo, guys, look at this. They're laying railroad ties on this Norfolk Southern train here. There's people on it. There's the engine right there. People all the way over there and down at the end. What the heck? Oh my god. I'll check up with you guys when we get down there. Guys, we just realized all the cars are connected. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yo, look at this, guys. There's like a bridge over it. Oh my gosh. This is insane. And all the way down there, those are Norfolk Southern vehicles. Look at this, guys. This is so cool. I have never seen anything like this. Wow. This is so Okay, guys, part 2 is currently moving. Check this out and like listen to it. This is so cool sounding. Like we're walking almost as fast as it right now, but this is so cool. Wait, look. Track is leaving it. Look. See it? The top one is leaving it. See, the top one is staying still. Look, the top one's staying still. Bro, look. The top one's staying still. See it?
Yeah. They're laying it down.
They're laying it down. Oh my. Yo.
They only have one engine, so they can move slow.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, stay tuned for part 3. Okay, guys, part 3, we got some Norfolk Southern vehicles driving by, and look at that.
That's a very rare car.
Yeah, that machine back there is laying the track.
It's right now laying an entire track.
Yeah, it's laying the entire track right now.
They have 5 of these amounts.
Yeah, they have 5. This is so cool.
5 sections of track they can lay down.
They're laying the top, I think, oh my gosh.
That car is very rare.
This is so cool.
This is why I've been going so slow.
These are the coolest thing I think I've ever seen.
Me too.
Oh, wow. And we just randomly chose to come train watching today. Wow.
Oh my god, dude.
Coolest day ever, guys. This is a CSX yard locomotive. They just finished laying the track right there, but check this out. CSX yard locomotive. They're carrying everything. Box cars, steel, hopper cars, tank cars, everything.
Give it to
You're recording?
Yeah.
She is. She's going fast.
There she is, guys.